What's going on, nation? ukvapeuk here and welcome. Today I bring you a new disposable by Zovoo. This one is the Dragbar GT Z700. Yeah, kind of a big name. This one is going to be a 2 ml capacity. It's going to be extremely slim, as you can see. We're not going to do a dive down because there's not a lot to show on the disposable. But like I said, it's going to hold 2 ml of e-liquid. They say it's going to do about 700 puffs. And this one is going to be an MTL, okay? So every puff is going to be more like an MTL, not going to be able to do, you know, that restricted direct logging, even though I would recommend, because this is 20 milligram. Nick salts, they're going to have 100 flavors. That's crazy. That is a lot of flavor. The ohms on the inside, they're going to range between 1 ohm and 1.4. As you know, coils always can range, so 1 ohm, 1.4. It's primarily made obviously of plastic, and I think it weighs around 20 grams. That is pretty damn light. You come on these boxes right here, you're gonna have your scratch code, you're gonna have your manual, all that good stuff you need to know, but it is pretty easy to use. You just open up, you're gonna have your very small manual on the inside. It comes very nice packet here. This one is gonna be strawberry watermelon. You pull it out. It's gonna come with 2 plugs, one of the bottom, that's your airflow, and one on the top, that's gonna be where you pull those 2 plugs. That come just for protection, that nothing goes on inside, and you're ready to go. Flavor is gonna be very, very smooth. Also the throw heat is gonna be smooth, it's not gonna be harsh on you, and the flavor is pretty damn accurate. This strawberry watermelon tastes like strawberry watermelon. And here I have a banana shake. Obviously with 100 flavors, it's probably one of the flavors you're gonna like it. You know, you're gonna have a lot of options there. But yeah, today was just a quick video to show you what's available out there. This one is a good one. I think it's gonna be extremely cheap, and it's gonna be widely available here in the UK. So make sure you grab yours if you want something extremely stealth that is not gonna weigh on your pocket. You even can carry several one of them, you know, to last you more than one day, but they're gonna last you if you want to change flavors in between during the day. You can carry a lot of them, and they're not gonna have that massive footprint. So yeah, definitely a good one. We're gonna wrap it up. Thanks for everything. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I wish you all the best, and I hope to see you next time. Till there, keep vaping.